invite you to address the press.
Good afternoon, members of the Nursing Union.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency.
Government of Nyamira
Good afternoon.
and the Further Estate. Habari. As the Secretary General said, we are here and we have already signed the return to work formula for nurses who have been on strike. And I take this opportunity to appreciate all employees of Nyamira County and to state that all efforts are being made to improve the working conditions of all employees, including promotions for all staff. I have directed all chief officers to prepare a list of staff in their departments due for promotion to enable us set a budget. We appreciate the role of health workers in service delivery, especially the nurses. Today, we have signed a return to work formula with the Kenya National Union of Nurses, and I thank them for calling off the strike. I assure them no one will be victimized for participating in the industrial action. On our part, we commit to honor the agreement.
And we confirm that we have made progress and reached agreement. We have used the spirit of give and take. And we want to say that as a union for the nurses, we want to inculcate the spirit of dialogue so that we don't come into crisis to discuss the issues that affect members, because they are with us here. So we have also agreed that going forward we shall have our committee that will review the items that we have agreed upon and any other arising matters, so that we discuss them and get solutions early before we reach issues of strike. We also want to confirm that when we give a strike notice, it is not because we want a strike. It is not because we want to disrupt services. It is because we want to draw the attention of the employer so that we come to the table. So we request that any other time that we may have issues and we give a notice or a communication, we get time to sit earlier without going into crisis. Otherwise, we give ourselves to be ready anytime for any consultations, and so that we keep going on as partners and not protagonists. Thank you. I want to allow